Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today I'm gonna go do a corporate account I just got. So it's actually an auto mechanic place that has like old rotors and stuff like that. So we're gonna pick that up and then I'm gonna take all that metal to the scrapyard. So we're gonna see how much I make off of this job, and then we're actually gonna be doing this every 2 weeks. So let's go get to it. All right guys, so they got these full of car parts and I'm just putting them in my trailer, but they're actually inside the building here. I thought for sure they'd be like out by the dumpster or something, but it's a little bit more work than I thought it was gonna be because I can't even lift these barrels with my dolly. So I'm gonna get this all loaded and then I'll show you guys what we got. All right guys, I took 3 of those big drums and then they had like a little bucket of the balancers for those tires. Not really sure, weights for those tires. So yeah, we're gonna head to the dump. It seems like it's a pretty heavy load. I mean, each one of these probably weigh 20 pounds at the minimum. So I'm gonna head over to the scrapyard. I'm sweating. That was actually a lot more work than I thought. It was like inside the building, but we're gonna go see if we can make any additional money. I got paid $150 to take this metal, and I'm gonna be doing that every 2 weeks. So it's kind of cool. It's an account that's gonna generate income over the next year, hopefully. It's a 3-year contract, so we'll see what happens, unless they find somebody to take it, you know, somebody else to take it or something like that. But I think it's a new company, and I'm gonna actually see if there's any other auto mechanic shops around who want us to take their rotors and stuff. So we're gonna go to the scrapyard, see if we make anything there, and we'll see what the total is. All right guys, just got to the scrapyard. I'm about to come up here on the scale. When this guy moves, we'll see how much we weigh, and I'll give you guys a total weight and how much we made at the end of it. Guys, we are just waiting. This guy's actually getting loaded up. So I thought they processed all the scrap here, but it looks like they're actually moving it somewhere. So I don't know where they move it to, but we just gotta wait for this guy to get loaded up. And there's this guy in front of me who is gonna be unloading. Then we'll unload quick because we got the dump trailer. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of what the scrapyard looks like. If you look at my other videos, you can just kind of see the transformation from every video of, you know, how much stuff they go through here. And I actually got rotors today, so it's funny, they got a pile of rotors over there, so I'm guessing I'm gonna dump in there, unless if that's just random. But we'll see what they say when they come over to me. But yeah, I'll be waiting for this, and then we'll go weigh out and we'll get everything figured out. All right guys, we are pulling out. All those came off pretty good. We're gonna see what we weigh here. The scale's always kind of iffy as well. So this scale works. So 11,000, I think we were 12,800 when we came in. Shout out to this guy, London. He watches all my videos too. You wanna say anything?
What's going on YouTube? This is Landon coming at you live from oh man,
this is where you work.
Steel and Recycling Co. Best scrapyard east of the Mississippi. I want to say, come out here guys, we'll get you some good scrap metal prices and stuff like that. Be a good time, appreciate it.
He watches all my videos, shout out to him. And my bad, I said your name was London, so that's my bad.
It's all good, all good. I appreciate it, man.
All right, man.
Alrighty, have a good day, appreciate it.
Yeah. So let's go see what we make off of this.
The best of the company, man.
Yeah, you work here. All right guys, so it actually weighed 1,650 pounds. That was surprising. And we got $115.50. So that was awesome. That was just extra cash basically. So overall, let's see, 150 plus 115, 265.50. So that wasn't too bad. And we're gonna make that every 2 weeks. So I'm definitely gonna look into generating some more repeat customers like that, because I mean, if I can set it up where I have constant jobs like that, then it's even easier. I don't have to be stressing to get jobs or anything like that. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. And I'm glad we got this account and we made pretty good money. So See you guys next time.